How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through a trade I took today on ES. I took this trade based off SPY levels, but before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any upcoming videos. First off, I want to point out this trade was only like $425 profit. I took right at 4 trades today, and I'm up over 9,000 on the week. So Monday through Thursday, I'm up over 9,000 on my futures trading account. Let's talk about the reasoning behind this level. First off, this was based off a SPY level I was watching. 435 was a key level on SPY. It was a daily support, but we felt it. I wanted to see us reclaim it. When we reclaimed it, that's when I entered my trade. As you can see right here, I got in at 4408.75 to be exact. That's my entry. I was looking for a breakout trade, so I'm trying to lock in 4+ points when I'm taking a breakout trade. I tried to allow the bids to get above that on level 2 while I was watching SPY. The bid and ask, I want to see the bids get above the level, and basically was watching raw price action for this trade. I bought in, right? I want to see 4+ point move to lock in some profits. I go real light when I'm taking a breakout trade. If I'm taking a nice bounce or reject, with good confirmation, I may go as heavy as 5. But typically I don't trade too heavy with futures. I look for trades that have better risk reward when I start to size up with. That makes sense. Anytime you take a breakout trade like this, it is higher risk to me. But this was the only one I managed to record today. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to trade anymore, but I've seen some nice setups. And I took a trade with another Team Bull admin, which worked out decent. So let's get right into this trade. So let's take a look at this trade live now. I skipped forward quite a bit from when I originally entered the trade. It lasted right at 5 minutes, I believe it was. Basically want to see a push above that 412.75 for a trim. I like to sell into strength when I'm taking a breakout trade like this, right? You want to sell into strength. You don't want to wait till you stall, then pull back. A lot of times what'll happen on a breakout trade, and have that initial first push, then it'll pull back all the way down and stop you out, right? That's why I like to sell into strength. Honestly, a lot of times I do not even trim. I just sell my entire position. But when I'm like I said, when I'm taking a reversal trade, I will trim and manage my trade a little better, give it more room to run. Right, much better risk to reward when you're taking a reversal like a bounce or a reject at a key level, whether it be supply and demand or if you're just watching raw price action, whatever your strategy is. So we come up here, we kind of stall out, right? This is what I start looking for. I'm like, okay, it might be time to, think about locking in profits on this quick breakout trade. I was looking back and forth between SPY and ES here. I seen SPY was showing some signs of a possible pullback. So I locked in profits there, right at $425 off this one scalp, right? This is an ideal breakout scalp when you're trading ES. Anytime you can get 4+ points, in my opinion, that's a good breakout scalp, especially pre-market like this or right at open. Things tend to be a little more risky. If you want a safer trade, wait on a nice reject, a nice bounce, maybe even wait 15 to 30 minutes after market opens for something a little slower paced. Again, this was just one of my trades today. I took around 4 trades, I believe it was. I'm up over $9,000 on the week, and it's just Thursday. I might trade tomorrow, I might not. The account I'm using, I opened it just so you all could follow along. I opened it, I think it was last week, maybe Friday, if I'm not mistaken. This has been the first real week I've traded it. It's only for futures. I opened a $10,000 Tradovate account. So small account, right, for futures. And I just want everyone to follow along. I just want to show you all it is possible. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible with it. You don't have to have $100,000 to start trading. If you have good discipline, if you're taking sniper entries, if you're waiting on the right confirmation, it can be done. And you can be consistently profitable. I plan on posting any losing days I have. I'm going to post maybe even show the losing trades live if I have them recorded, if that would help you all out. If you like this sort of video, this raw footage, my thought process as we're going through the trade, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment. Let me know you like this. If not, I can focus more on the, just basic recaps and the educational videos. So let me know in the comments. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.